Okay, so this is part 2 to the denim boot video. This is actually the finished boot that I did in part 1. So if you want to see how part 1 was done, I'm going to put it in the cards above, and you can see how this boot was made. I'm actually doing the next boot a little different from how I did this one. I've already actually cut out the pieces to the boot, and if you want to know how I created the pieces, because I don't just go around the boot with the denim, I kind of make specific pieces for each part of the boot. You can go to part 1 to view that. So with this one, I'm going to actually be bleaching the denim before I put it on the shoe. So that's the difference in this DIY project for the denim Timberland boots. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, so I have some bleaching here. I diluted it with some water, bleach and water. So yeah, again, I'm doing it different from the first one. Brush. Guess I could just throw it in there, actually let it sit, but I just want the bleach on certain parts, not necessarily to bleach the whole thing. So I have placed the bleach on the sections that I want to brighten up the most. You can go over it multiple times in the areas that you want it lighter. But what I'm going to do now is let this bleach sit on the fabric for a while, and then after that I'm going to go rinse it off and let it dry. So this may be a longer process than the part 1, the first step. So it's all about patience at this moment, and allowing it to dry. So as you can see, I did all sections of the boot. I've sewed on the areas that I know are prone to come off and loose. So I've already sewn those areas on. And now I'm about to do the distress part. Let's get started. So I pretty much distressed the edges of the boot. I went along the bottom edge, the middle, the back where I could. I will be going over any areas that have glue spots on them with paint. I won't be doing that in the tutorial.